Good evening. I do have an announcement. I just talked to the Royals, and because of some of the leadership in DECA, we postponed the introductory meeting, and now we weren't going to go to this Royals, but now we're going to try to go to this career day that the Royals host, and so we're just going to combine the first meeting and this DECA event and put them together. It's going to be next Thursday, September 5th, but I wanted to get it to you as soon as I could, just knowing how quickly that's going to come up. If you're interested in DECA, this is a great event just to get to know what DECA is about. There's no competition. Let me open up the flyer here. If you go to that first, I'll put it in the first folder and I'll code it red just so you can see it. And if you click in this, the first PDF is a flyer that tells you a little bit about the event. I will, we will go, um, we'll meet here at, oh, I think I put 9 o'clock. We won't try to get there too much earlier than when the event goes. And so we'll leave here hopefully a little before 9, get there a little before 10. And the Royals administration and the marketing department kind of tell you how they manage and promote the Royals. It's pretty interesting. Then we'll break for lunch and then actually we come back after lunch and we watch the Royals take on the Tigers. It's a real relaxing, especially if it's a nice day out, a very enjoyable day, and you learn a little bit while you're there. That's kind of what DECA likes to do. And so it's a really good first DECA event. We kind of use this as a recruiting event. It does cost some money, and I think we call this the Plaza Outfield. We're going to sit there. It costs $20, but with that $20, you get you're buying your DECA membership. You're getting a Royals T-shirt and a DECA T-shirt and a DECA pin, and it makes you eligible for all the other upcoming DECA events, if that makes sense. So spread the word. Any business student is eligible, but there is kind of a rush on this. I talked to the Royals today, and I I need to know. I need a head count and permission slips and money back by Monday. And so let me go in there and see if you're interested in this. And it's a fun, relaxing day. It's an excused absence from school to check out to learn a little bit about sports management. Um, Let me actually go to the next one. If you're interested, here is a permission slip. Just talk to your parents, see if they're interested or you're interested in DECA. It's next Thursday. Again, we'll try to leave a little before 9. It is at Kauffman Stadium. You do need to stay until the bus leaves. So you go with the bus and you come back with South. And so this is a permission slip for the field trip. And then if you could just let your parents know, and your teachers that you would miss next Thursday. And we'll try to get back. We'll leave the game early, actually, so we can get back 2:33. Time to hit. Well, I can't guarantee anything just because of traffic and all that, but we'll try to get back somewhere, hopefully before the buses leave, but somewhere around there. Anyways, just wanted to get that out to you so you can talk to your parents and plan that. If you're interested, send me an email and fill this form out and drop by sometime on Monday with money in the permission slip. Thanks, appreciate it.